Hello everyone, this is again Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look, so this is the second video. Before we did the video for the Arrma Outcast, and now we have the Arrma Talion. If you haven't seen the Arrma Outcast, jump to another video before that and you will see it. We did the unboxing for it. So let's jump to that. So Arrma decided to go the route of the Extreme Bash Roller because it was a great seller for them. Everybody bought them, upgrade them, although the first round of them was horrible. When everybody got the Kraton, there was a problem with the gears and the mesh, and it was a big mess, but they sent everybody parts. And then they decided to go with one car that it was very desirable by everybody else. It was the Arrma Talion. The Arrma Talion right now is like 70 miles an hour Extreme Bash Roller. And let's unbox it and see what there is inside. See if it's even worth the money. Maybe it's not. Let's see. So, big box. Oh, heavy to open. Okay, wow. The color of this is awesome. Look at this. When you look from the side, kind of top view. But let's pop it up. Again, toolkit with some extra parts and your gears. Let's move it aside. And let me do this. I'm gonna just do that real quick. It will be much faster. Now, you do have the remote over here. The remote is kind of something that I think that they should have gone an extra miles and put something a little bit better. But this is the remote with the telemetry. If you use their batteries, it's not gonna work if you use any other battery. Let's move this in aside as well. You know, the remotes are pretty cool, but I rather have something that if you're already paying, those cars going for $720. Why not to charge $820 on it and actually put a much better remote? Okay, let's put this out. And let's put that out. Okay. So, first glance on this, you can see the sweet look of this thing. It's like look like a low profile dragon. It's really cool. I really like the setup on this. Those a little bit longer arm. Let's get it this way. This is the Extreme Bash Roller. It's better now, huh? Let's zoom in a little bit and then we can have, that's it. It's much better. So, of course, you have the Talion wheels. A lot of us took those things and actually end up setting it up actually to be a speedrun car. So now this is gonna be like a Extreme Bash Roller and a speedrun truck. So let's open it up real quick and see what we got inside. So the bodies is not like the other bodies that have here the extra frame, so when you flip it, it's not gonna break. So pay attention to it. So if you flip it, there's not really support over here, so be very gentle with it. And then what we got here is the rest of the car. So I think the frame is look like very familiar from the Kraton car. Whoops! But this specific vehicle have a 70-75 frame. Again, no fan on those things. It's horrible that they don't put the fan on it. I think that this is a must, so please buy it. It does about like $12 or so. Put a fan on it. There is some for $20, more expensive, whatever budget you got, put a fan on this. Then you got the big boy shocks over here. Those are pretty awesome, the heavy duty shocks. So when you're gonna go run your car, you know you're gonna be able to kind of abuse it and it will take it. You have of course the sway bar like we show in the other vehicle. You have the metal gears inside and you can hear it while you move the vehicle. And on the back, you don't really have a wheelie bar because this is not gonna pop wheelies like the smaller brother, like the Outcast. So pay attention to it. If you want something for more stunt, you're gonna have to go with a car that is a little bit smaller, shorter. This design more for bashing in a much higher speed. And of course they have those wheels with a vent in them that they're really cool. I really like those. Of course, 6S system that you can run it actually on a 3S. There is a jumper right there. Overall, I really like this. I like the design of this vehicle. But it's not really that much different from the other vehicle, the fact that it's a little bit longer. And one thing that I always see that is a negative on the longer vehicle is how narrow this neck is on a flat area. And this is the area that usually fail on all those vehicles. On the bigger vehicle, they added a little bit support over here. And this one really needed because this is about 4 millimeter, the aluminum here. and this will bend on big jumps. So guys, pay attention, make some support on the back over there. This is kind of real quick, the video for this, because I really want to go and run it. This is the body. The body is actually really beautiful. Hard to see in the camera, the flat and the glass black together. And then when you put it back, when you put it back, it's a very low profile, kind of stealth looking vehicle. Now, this is also available in our shop right now, 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills. Go and see it if you like it. Maybe you don't. I know a lot of people waiting for this vehicle for a very, very long time. They are $729, and you need to get battery and a charger. They're not coming with battery and a charger, and they're literally designed to be bulletproof. See you in my next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any question, put it in the comment below. I'm gonna do a couple comparison video later, so just stay tuned. Bye.